welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Everybody feeling calm enough in this state of emergency that we are in? For those of you who came in late, I do have some little Dettol sheets for wiping down your surfaces if you would like to. There's been a lot of bums and fingers on those chairs. Thank you also to those of you who are having a go joining in at home. This is the first time I've ever actually live streamed a class, so it could go really, really terribly wrong. And I'm supposed to have 5 minutes at least in the classroom before classes actually start, so I didn't get a chance to test anything other than to ask you if it was okay. I'm going to leave that chat on the screen unless it really gets annoying for you guys. I probably won't notice it, so if I've got everybody's sound turned off at the other end. So if there's somebody with a question or something there, you guys who are here are going to see that. So if you could call out and let me know, or just ignore those guys who are home in their pyjamas, depending on how you feel about it. So this is the same tech, only I don't have to deal with real people in the room, that I use for the drop-in tubes. So the voices have spoken. Basically, it was pretty much even in the end as to first preferences between Tuesday at 8:45, so late enough so that those of you who had Tuesday night classes could go, and 7:30 on a Sunday evening. I must admit I was kind of hoping for the Tuesdays because I keep randomly going out to dinner and suddenly thinking, oh, almost said a rude word, it was going to get transcribed there somehow. That seems to have stopped. And then racing out to do tubes because they've always ended up on Sunday nights. But when I looked at the second preferences and what people who wouldn't get their first preference could do, we can do Sunday nights is better. And then when I gave some extra weighting to those people in OUA, because really the tubes are for them, I just let, the way I see it, if you're an OUA student and you want to come to this class, you may as well. So it's a bit mean for me to say, but you can't, face-to-face people can't go to the tubes. So, yeah, so I've settled on Sunday nights. Sunday evenings at 7:30. That seemed to be overall the fairest thing for everybody. Firstly, they're extra. I don't have to do them, you don't have to do them. They are completely unstructured in the sense that if I have anything prepared at all, it might be one of the activities that I've planned. I never use all of my activities in a classroom because we always run out of time, and I plan activities depending on what people are doing. So I might throw something like that in. Often we talk about the discussion board problem, but really it's just driven by questions you have. If you don't have any questions, I wouldn't worry about it. If you have a question but you can't make it, feel free to either book a consult time with me or send me the question, we'll talk about it in a tube and it'll be on a recording. I only record if there are 3 or more people there. If I'm there all by myself for more than 10 minutes, chances are I will shut down and walk away. Or at least go and pour myself a glass of wine and possibly put the telly on in the background. So, you know, very informal, it's there for you if you want it, so don't stress. Yeah, so basically these are in the slide packs that you've got now, just so that you can find both. You won't be able to see that lovely little QR code to use it right now, but it's in the slides. The top one is to join the online shoots, and the bottom one, which is now hidden by the group chat, is to book an appointment with me. So you just automatically go into my diary and there'll be a Zoom thing and we can chat.